Today we're here in Concord, California. We're working on a problematic slab. What we're doing today is treating it in a two-step process. First step being Maxxon Commercial Profile. So Profile works by coming in contact with cement and releasing those top layer of those chemical abatement chemicals so we can have a better bond with our Maxxon Commercial Isolate. So the first step would be to use an airless sprayer. And as you can see, there's a reaction that happens when it's applied that's releasing all those top layers of cement, giving us a more porous substrate, also removing all those chemicals as well. So one of the best ways to ensure you're getting proper coverage on your profile and make sure you're kind of getting it into the cement as well is to use a stiff-bristle broom. And when you're doing so, what you're doing is kind of pushing that profile down into the pores even a little bit more, getting down to where we need to be to release that cream layer of the cement and release any bond breakers that could be in the top portion of the cement as well. The dwell time for Maxxon Commercial Profile is anywhere from 15 minutes up to 4 hours, depending on the type of profile you're trying to achieve or the type of cleaning method you're going with. Once you're ready and you feel that you had a satisfactory cleaning or profiling, you're going to use water as your cleanup. So once water hits profile, it completely neutralizes it and it stops doing what it's doing. So you use the same amount of water that you use of profiles. Example, we use 2 gallons of profile on this project. We're going to use 2 gallons of water to clean it up. So our last step with working with Maxxon Commercial Profile is the extraction of the cleanup water. That can be done with a few different methods. One method would be a floor drain. So once you neutralize the product and you have a squeegee, you can squeegee it all down a floor drain. Or if you don't have a floor drain accessible, the second way would be to extract with a wet vac. We do not have floor drain accessible on this job, so we're going to extract by shop vac.